Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Siblings Crafts. Woo! Face reveal! So I'm Samrath and this is my sister Samreen. Okay, what are you doing? Okay, alright, so for today's video, we'll be making this. It's a paper fidget toy. See, so like, you can like fidget with it, you spin it around. What's so funny? Are you just gonna laugh or say something? Oh my god. And then you can lay it right back out. Say hi to the people, Samri.
Hi.
Okay, why are you talking like a baby? That's not how you talk usually. Right. So we'll be teaching you how to make this, and let's get on with this craft.
For this craft, you'll be needing a piece of paper, some scissors, and one glue stick.
So the first thing you need to do is get an A4 paper. Like, it can be any color. We decided to do yellow because it looks awesome. And you fold it in half. Once you fold it in half, you fold it in half again. Like so. And then you open it up. And then you need to cut everywhere there's a crease mark.
Once you have your 4 pieces, glue them on the small edges. Like that.
Oh, is there a bug there, Samreen?
Yes.
Well, I don't see. Oh, right there.
There's a
Yeah.
bug right there. And I was trying to tell you.
Okay. Now you need to make one small edge 5 centimeters and the other 2 centimeters. And it has to be connected diagonally, so it has to be really precise. This side is already 5 centimeters. So I measured the whole long side, and it was 107.2 centimeters. I divided that by 3, and I have to make a tick mark every 35.7 centimeters. And if I do that, at every tick point, it's gonna be 1 whole centimeter less. But I have to make it like not go down just like abruptly. It has to go down like gradually. So now I'm gonna get to work. So now that the hardest part's done, I have it at 2 centimeters and 5 centimeters at the either ends. And now you have to fold it up into a triangle like this. You have to do this with great precision. Now flip it over. And then fold in another triangle. So now it's bigger. Make sure it's even and aligned. Now next, do another fold. Then do another fold. Now it's a diamond. And just keep folding until you use the whole thing. And if there's any left at the end, you can just snip it off. And you can see like it starts to get smaller and smaller because of the centimeter difference from 5 to 2. So now it's this wacky like pattern shape type of thing. So you turn it over, and then you take the tail, like that, and you tuck it in. And then you keep on taking it, and you like flip it over and tuck it in like that. You keep going until you're done. Make sure you don't like make it cut or anything or bend it, because that might like ruin the final product. Almost done. And there we go. So this is the final product, guys. Look at this thing. It's super fun. I'm sorry, somebody here. Silly girl. So this is the final product. You see, like, it's really fun to play with. Like, you just fidget, you spin it around like this. It's a triangle, and then you can lay. Okay, what are you doing? You can lay it back out like this, and it turns back into a square. Oh, yeah. Okay, where are you marching? Here, you wanna play with this thing? Okay, come on. Here, you play with this thing. Let's go. Come on. Here. Move up a little bit so that the people can see. You're having fun, eh? Alright, and now you put it back out into the square. You know how to do that, right? Now you put it into the square. See, like you just take it around and around like this.
I did that.
You did? Okay. And then it turns back into a square.
When you just a little copyright.
It's alright. Okay, so anyways, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on another Siblings Craft.